YouTube, what's going on with you? This your boy Sean the Barber coming at you. Today I'm doing a unboxing of an amazing clipper. If you haven't yet, if you have not liked, comment, subscribe to this video, do so because it is going to be amazing. Anyways, if you see, I'm actually rocking these Ray-Bans. I'm gonna put these in the description. This will definitely help your content creating skills, so that way you don't have to have all these gadgets as far as like a phone mount and this, that, and the other. These right here are definitely a game changer, especially if you want to make short content videos like the one I'm about to do today. I actually got something for you right now. Wait a minute. These boys right here, the Staff Crowds 360 JEEZY clippers. We about to go ahead and jump into this video and start this thing on right. If this is your boy, Sean the Barber, get in though. Alright, now look, we are here. Look at my little studio chair. We are gonna do the unboxing of this clipper here. Shout out to 360 JEEZY. He has teamed up with Stylecraft Pro and came out with this clipper here. If you see here, it's professional IN2 vector motor clipper with full metal housing. Other than that, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'll go ahead and show you how the box look. So check this out. So it shows you everything that's supposed to be inside the box. So make sure you check your box and make sure everything's in there. There, right there. You got the magnetic guards. You got the Black Diamond DLC ergo blade. Have a runtime of 11,500 RPMs. It even has a heavy duty full metal body. And we're going to check the sound out. Don't worry about it. We will definitely zero gap it at one point. It has that IN2 vector motor in here and a runtime of 3 hours. Come on, man. And it's cordless. Can't ask for more. Let's get into this. This is amazing. Look at this here. Got his face all right there. Looking back at you like, boy, do you know what you picked up? All right, let's get it. Let's get it. This is the clipper itself. Nice and wrapple. I love it. Nice and wrapple. Feels good on the hand. Let's go ahead and take this off, and it'll let you know right here what type of motor's in it. Has the clicking sound, and it's definitely lubricated, as you can see. Definitely lubricated. And I like the clearness, so that way you can see your motors running. Let's check the sound out. Not too bad. And I like the indicating light with the color to let you know that it's fully charged. And you can check that blade out. And I love that they have 2 different ports that you can charge from. So they give you definitely double options here. So let's go ahead and set that to the side. See what's in this box. Alright, so without taking it out, you have your stand here. You have your charging cords. One for the stand and one just in case you don't want to use the stand. And then you have your brush, your oil, your switch, and they got a couple springs in there, a couple screws in there just in case something happens to your clipper. You have the screwdriver just in case you want to zero gap your tool. And also here are the magnetic guards right here. And I like the padding. It's nice padding. Let's see if there's anything else in here. There we go. That's the book right here. You never get a clipper and it doesn't have instructions. So here's the instructions. I don't need to read the instructions out to you. I'm sure you don't purchase plenty of clippers and got instructions. But this is it. This is the 360 JEEZY Staff Craft Pro Clipper. Hey man, like I say, I will definitely be dropping more clipper videos. Stay tuned with your boy. This is your boy, Sean the Barber, coming at you. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely be dropping more videos coming soon.